Hawe ou everveld like te word was vrimling arand ou, onlei toe vind Salvation in te most inlike lei of platis. Imagine abelinaire so broken en velden bieite one ting en het aantal weitres so poorse had noten bid love toegeve. What happens when Abyssines deel turns into a battle for a broken heart? Stuk around intel te verry end of te story, betjous te twist regarding te little girl secret wil absolute lei sater ou anten pit ou bak toegeter agin. Before we diewe into tes roller coaster of emotion please het dadelike beton to support heartwarming stories and subscribe to the channel so ou nie vermis 'n moment of the drama. Let's get into it. Terrein in Seattle was relentless statistai evening hammering against the Fogai Windows of Dina's dinner like alright met Trimbad of Despair. Inside Elena Wipetov te counter for the 100 time herwrist atching. A 20 Elena had tetiret is of some unit tweete herage. Between her mounting student loans, her grandmother's medical bills, anti-eviction notice gerend burning a hole in her apron pocket, se veld like se was droning on dreiland. The dinner was empty save for the flickering neon sign buzzing in the corner. Sy was just about to flip the sign to a closet when the Java ook door swing open, bringing a gist of freezing wind aan twee figures dat look it like they had stepped out of a magazine albeit afreis at one. The man was tall, imposing, dressed in a charcoal side that like cost more than the dinner itself. His face was chiseled, hand so a bit hardened by a cold adjustion that seemed to seep from his bonus. But it was dit in a hand clutching his that drew Elena's attention. A little girl, no older than 5, trailed behind him. Sy was dressed in a pristine velvet coat, but her face was deursteinet, her eyes red and swollen. Sy look it like a porcelain doll that had been dropped and gliedbak toegeter wrong. The man guided her to a boot in the back, his movement stiff. He didn't look like a fatter, he looked it like a bodyguard protecting a volatile pakkage. Elena approached with her notepad, forcing a smile she didn't feel. Raugenig het voor a walk, sy sighed softly. The man didn't look up. He was typing furiously on his bone. Koffie. Black. And. Mia, wat do I want? The little girl, Mia, didn't answer. Sy just stared at the reine window, her lower lip trembling. Sy's not hungry, the man sig het, finale looking at Elena. His eyes weer appearing still blee, the fight of warmte. Yes, the koffie. And bring her a glass of water. Elena looked at the child. Sy red toch nie dat look. It was the look of Somione who felt invisible. Elena's hart pinched. Sy ignoreerde the man's order. 10 minutes later, Elena returned. Sy plaatte the black coffee doven bit in front of Mia, sy plaatte a plate. It was not water. It was a flip-fillet golden brown panchake sapetlike albaar, with a whipped cream ears and chocolate chip ears. Bit the secret was the stand, warm vanille and a hint of orange zest. Ek know wou didn't order this, Elena whispered, kneeling doven to Mia's eie level. Bit my bar here told me I was lonely and needed a friend to help him disappear. Can I help him? Mia blinked. For the first time, sy looked away from the window. Sy sniffed the air. The orange zest. It was a smell of comfort. Slowly, a thin hand reached out for the fork. The man, Alexander Sterling, Hugh of Sterling Corp, stopped typing. He watched in stinnetse lense. Mia hadn't eaten a full meal in 3 weeks. Not since the accident. Not since her mother, his wife, had left this world. Nanny's with the pets and short psychology had violet. Micheline star chefs had violet. Bit this white dress, with the flower on her cheek and frying sneakers, was watching Mia talk a bit. Ten another. Ten a miracle happened. Mia looked at Elena and offered at the nay, sy smile. Alexander felt like the air had been pinched out of his lungs. He looked at the white dress, really looked at her for the first time. He saw the kinders in her eyes, the patinse, the natural warmte that had completely forgotten hoofd to generate. When Elena returned to drop the check, Alexander didn't reach for his wallet. He stood up toewering over her. The dinner was silent. He looked at his dochter, who was nog coloring on a napkin, looking more at Pia's tanse had in mondes. He leaned in close, his voice dropping to a sky, desperate timmer that sent as he ver doven Elena's spine. Kan hou pretend to be my dochter's mom? The whisper hang in the air, Jafai and insane. Elena laughed nervously, talking a step back. Is she some? Sir, the coffee is on the house, I don't have it to. I'm not joking, Alexander interrupted, his eyes intense. I am in the middle of a kiss today battle with my in laughs. Ty tank him in fit. Ty tank him assault workaholic machine wo van provide an ertiering environment. If I don't present a stable family in it by the devastating koud jaren in 30 days, I lose Mia. I lose a verreiting. He pull it apart from his pocket. I will pay jou $500,000. Hou move in. Hou pretend vir are engag het. Hou pretend to love her. Anten went the kiss today is secured, verbreek op gaitlei. Elena stared at him. It was madness. It was immoral. It was Ali. Bit ten sit hou het of the effectune notice. Sit hou het of haar grandmotter surgery. And sy looked at Mia, who was looking up at her with a hopeful eyes. I won't do it for the Mounier, Elena said, her voice trembling. Mian, I need the Mounier. Bit I won't lead to her. I won't pretend to care. If I do this, I'm actually going to care for her. I won't be a proper. Alexander nodded, a flicker of respect crossing his face. Deal. The next day, Elena's life changed for a fair. A black car picked her up from her frumling apartment block. Sy arrived at the Sterling Estate, a mansion that looked more like a museum than a home. It was called HV and filled with expensive things that couldn't be touched. It was the perfect metaphor for Alexander's heart. The first week was a disaster. Alexander triat het 'n arrangementlike abesinesmerger. Hy gaf vir Elena 'n dossier on hof toe bemersterling. Hy kritiek haar wardrobe, haar aksent, haar posture. Hou slouching, Elena. My wiefe dint slouch, hy snap het ohne evening at dinner. Elena slam met haar voorttoon. Wel, im not hou wiefe, Alexander. Antef ou want Mia toe belief het is, ou nie toe stop triating melike aan employee aan start triating melike aan iemand bang. Mia wat jy tem witte wie die is. Toe de vieze detention, Elena ter net toe Mia jy, toe ou want toe bake tjokies. Real met sy ones. Mia schialet. Alexander wat jy as die wrek het is pristine kitchen, flour ekploring everywhere. Hy want het toe beangry, bid te sound of Mia's laagter, as sound te haat met die hart in haar eier, paralyse het hem. As dit duister net in 2 weeks, te Linus began te blur. Elena wasn't just acting. Sy was jaling te house. Sy open net te kiertuins toe let te lig het in. Sy replate te stif, formal dinners with 'n tattoo nuggets on 'n living room floor. Sy riat Mia betieme stories, dwing sy voices dat maar dit 'n little girl giggele intil sy het chipet. And Alexander found himself coming home earlier. He found himself standing in doorwise, just watching them. Wanneer hy na evening, at thunderstorm knokke te power out. Mia was terrified of thunder. Alexander is in emotional crisis, froze. Bid Elena build afford out of sofa questions and invited Alexander in. Tere in te dark, eliminated by a flaslighet, teterie of them het let toegeter. Tel is a story dat hy Mia whisper het. Alexander stiffen het. Hy dint knof stories. I don't knof aan hy stammer het. Elena's hand found his in te dark, skeezing het geen lei. A jolt of elektriciteit, hotter dan lichtning, so trouw hy is arm. Jy stel haar about wen ou weer little Elena whisper het. So, Alexander spoke. Hy spoke of alone lei boy wo wanted to build skyscraper so hy felt touch the stars. Hy spoke with a vulnerability had nie versoon aanhouene. Wen Mia val asleep on his chest, Alexander look het at Elena. En dit hem lig het, sy look het like aan angel. Dank hou, hy murmuur het. Voor wat, sy asket. Voor tiach in my hoofd toe beafvatter agijn. Te weer inches apart. Te eir was tek with the inside words. Hy liaan het in aan voor een moment te vontrijdend exist. Bitte bullet bak at the last second, te refiet of te feelingsrissing in. Te conflict arifet in te forum of Victoria, Alexander's motor in love. Sy was as hark in a channel site, determinate to talk Mia away. Sy arifet in announced during a gardenpartij Alexander was hosting to solve of, his neef fiancé to te social elite. Victoria corner het Elena by te fontein. Ek know wat ou are Victoria hy sit, sipping champagne. Houre te waitress from te dinner. Jy have investigators my dear. Houre apait strijd doch. Antim going toe ek pose hou in klout. Elena val te bloot rein from haar vasse. Sy wanted to rin, sy wanted to take te moenie aan vlee. Bid tense saf Mia across te laven, chasing a butterfly, looking happy aan safe. Elena stoot tal. Ou kan galme water vir ou want, Elena sait, haar fooi te saking bid vir hom. Bid I loof het dat little girl. And inlike hou, im not trying to ise haar as a tropai. Im trying to give haar a home. Victoria lag het krulei. Will see about that. Dat nig het, Elena pak het haar bags. Sy gildend rust te posere. If the court found out about the payment, Alexander wild loose Mia forcere. Sy vroota later, liaven te check onta nig stand. Sy gildend take te moenie. Sy had vallen in loofe witte tem, botte of tem, and sy gildend profit from tire pine. Sy slip het out of the mansion at 3:00 am, haar jaartbejaking witte every step. The next morning, the Sterling mansion was plinged into chaos. Mia was screaming inconsolable. Alexander found the letter. Hy riat het, his hand saking. Im liaven so hou don't loose haar. I loofe ou botte toe match toe beteriason ou val apart, ter realisation het hem like afvry getrein. Hy hadn't just gered aan motor voor Mia, hy had found the missing Peter of his own soul. Hy didn't care about the standal. Hy didn't care about the moenie. Hy needed haar. Get the car, Alexander roer het toe is driver. Weer are we going, sir. Te dinner. Te airport. Even ry weer. Hy found her at the bus station, sitting on a battery side kase, rein powering doen just like te nigget te met sy look het smal aan te fiat. Alexander didn't care about the onlokers. Hy ran toe her, his atpensive side soaking bed. Elena, hy sout het. Sy look het tias mitsing witte terrein. Goe bak, Alexander. Victoria knofs. Hou halve toe let me goe. I don't care wat sy knofs. Alexander grab het haar shoulders, pilling haar ip. Let hem tel te tritte. Let hem tel te koud I gered a waitress. Bid let hem also tel te koud dat de waitress taag het my hoofd te loof my dochter. Let hem knof dat de waitress saaf het my liefe. Hy look het diep into haar ears. I don't want a pretend fiancé aan more, Elena. I want a real one. I loof a ou. Mia loof is ou. Please kome home. Elena sob het, collapsing into his chest. Hy kis het haar ten a desperate, rein soak het kis dat sy al het a promise stronger dan aan hy tontraid. Te koud jaring was brutaal. Victoria plaait haar ate, revealing Elena's bakgrond. Te jette look het sternlei at Alexander. Is dis 3, maar sterling. Dit ou hier het is woman. Alexander stoot op, holding Elena's hand. Hy is ouer honor. I dit. I was desperate. I was broken. Bid in the process of Ali, we found atrette. Look at my dochter. Hy pointed to Mia, wo was sitting behind him. Ask her wo haar moeder is. Te jette kal het Mia voorwaard. Mia, wo is des woman to ou, te jette asket gintlei. Mia look at Elena ten at te jette. Sy is te one wo maak is dit ander goe awai, Mia syd simplei. Ses my mom. Notte ohne wo ga verbirte toe me bitte ohne wo ga vir my liefe. Tere was het adrei jy in te koutrom. Te jette relit in Alexanders waarvoor staat dat biologie maak is apparent bid love maak is afamilei. Sits montes later ten Jon Signat Dinas diener was replatted. Het was nog in Mia's kitchen a gourmet restaurant run by Elena Sterling. Alexander zat in te corner bote, not wit a laptop, bid wit a coloringboek, helping Mia stay wit in telenis. Elena walk het over plating a plate of bar sharp panchakes in front of them. Alexander look het ip at his wiefe, his eie is warm aanvul of lig het. Best investment die evermade he wijsbered winking. Te story remens is dat so met die mis, te families vermake are juist as strong as te ones vir areborn into. Love kan bevind in te darkest storms, an so met die mis, a simple act of kinders, like a panchake wit as melee fase, kan shange te trajectory of alife. If this story touch it our yard, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us hard deze messages witte te word. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be part of our net emotional journey. Remember, our are never too broken to be pit back together. Thanks for watching.